guys, welcome back to another episode of Reinventing the Meal. We're making one of my favorites today. We're making homemade Japanese breakfast bowls. If I'm being totally honest with you guys, I got hooked on this because of this restaurant in Orlando called Artisan's Table. They have really excellent food, really excellent cocktails. This isn't a sponsor or anything like that. Like, I'm genuinely telling you that this restaurant is really f***ing good. But I digress. This recipe is essentially a copycat recipe of theirs, so I'm just gonna have to give all credit to them. You don't need a lot of ingredients for this. It's super easy. You got your sweet chili sauce, you got your rice, your eggs, your green onions, and your bacon of choice. I'm using turkey bacon. First and foremost, you're gonna get your rice started. That's obviously what takes the longest. Personally for me, I'm just using some standard white jasmine rice, nothing fancy. Follow whatever measurements you need to according to your rice's packaging. Once that comes to a boil and you gotta leave it alone for 20 minutes, we're gonna go ahead and prep some of our other ingredients. You're gonna get a pan, put it on medium-high, go ahead and put on your bacon. I always feel that like 2 pieces is pretty solid. Cook your bacon to your desired temperature. Once it's done, put it on a cutting board and roughly chop it up into little pieces. And while we're at it with that, we're also going to finally chop up our green onions. Once you have your green onions and your bacon chopped up and set aside and ready to go, the only thing you're waiting on is the rice. And once your rice is ready, then you're gonna cook the eggs, because you don't want cold eggs. You don't want the eggs just waiting around for the rice to finish. That would suck. So once your rice is done, go ahead and put that on a bowl or a plate, and then go ahead and fry up your eggs. I like fried eggs. If you like sunny side up eggs, or however you like your eggs, as long as the yolk is runny, that's the only thing that's important here. All I ask is that you at least put salt and pepper on your eggs, and then when they're ready to go, place them on top of the rice on your bowl or on your plate. And then we're basically almost done. All you have to do is drizzle on your sweet chili sauce, put on your bacon and your green onions. I personally top mine with a little extra sesame seeds and like little seaweed flakes because I had them. And yeah, that's essentially your Japanese bowl. Super easy, straightforward, not hard. Oh my God, it's so good. This is seriously one of my favorite things in the whole world. It's just like, it's sweet, it's salty. You got the slight acidity from the rice because I added a little rice vinegar in there off camera. Not runny egg yolk is obviously the best thing ever. Anyway, that's it for today's video. I'm gonna go devour this, and I'll see you guys in the next one.